Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, I bought this action cam off Amazon a couple of weeks ago. I'll tag it in the details below. Very decent action cam. It's a little bit cheaper than the GoPros, of course. The quality is not as good, but for what I'm using it for, going fishing, doing some YouTube stuff, it works out great. Probably saved about a couple of $100 on getting the camera. Um, It's the action camera EK7000. But the coolest thing is, so I've already opened it up. I think I did an unboxing of that too. But it comes with a bunch of equipment, different cases, different items, different hooks. But the cool part about it was it came with, well, it comes with a reference guide. It came with a thing that says, okay, look, you want to share your experience? Thought, okay, well, what's the catch, right? I mean, you see these things all the time. You don't know for sure if it's legit or not. You don't really want to waste your time with them. So I'll tell you what this, if you read it closely here, it says go on Amazon. And when you go on Amazon, you'll be able to do a review. You write the company. You highlight your review in the email. And it says they'll send you one of the three items, which, if you can't see it here, it either accessory bundle, charger and batteries, or a 64 gigabyte SD memory card. So I thought, okay, for this deal, I paid, I want to say around 50 or 60 bucks for it. I thought if I can get the accessories as well. So I went on Amazon, filled out everything. Company wrote back within a couple of days, actually. And voila, I received 2 packages from them within a couple of days. This one was shipped out of Frederick, Maryland. Maybe it's because that's where I'm close to that area. But in the first package, as you see here, there was actually, I'm opening it now, so I'll be able to tell you what's inside of it. There's actually 2 additional batteries, which is cool. 2 additional batteries. Very helpful. Also 2 charging port connector. And I think it's another charger. Yes. So that is very good. So I got 2 additional batteries, the cables to charge, and a charging port. There's something else in this bag as well. The next package, they really glued this one together. In the next package, there is a 64 gigabyte memory card. It's actually Kingston memory card. So all that was free by just doing a survey. Go on Amazon and just type in, find the item that you purchased, and just go on, leave a feedback. Take the feedback, cut and paste it into an email to the company. Be sure you put your order number down. And I just kind of said, hey, look, I put the feedback in. I'm interested in getting these items. And of course, they shipped them right away. Now I think this is going to be the accessory bundle in this box. And there's a lot of packaging. Amazon definitely double packaging. So inside the box there was, okay, here's the shipping information. So look, here's what you get here. Look at this package. It's humongous. It's gonna have more accessories than I probably will ever use. So this looks like something for your head accessory to use. Let's see, here's more. So this is head accessory. This is more of the clips. I got plenty of these already. This is actually, I think, a hat clip. It's your clips on your hat or clips on your bike, but it has like a clip on it, which is pretty healthy. Here's some more pads for sticking them to different things. More accessories, more different clips. This is another sticky pad with a rope on it. There's sticky stuff on that side. More clips, more clips, more clips. I think I have enough clips now to last me the entire use of this camera. And here's another mount here with the clip already on it. Not sure which one that is. I'll open up later and see. Another smaller clip. A mounting unit, which is awesome. Here is almost like a wrist holder or something to put in your wrist. It can't be that bad. The strap is pretty small. All right. Here's your tank here. Here's more accessories, more clips, more stickies. All could be very useful. And here is the granddaddy of them all, the shoulder front harness. I guess you wear this around your body. That's called the body harness, actually. Is the name for it. And one more thing. Oh, and it comes with a little tripod. Wow. I just bought another tripod too, because in the case I want to carry this in, it's gonna be too small. So you see all these things here, and I'll get the camera a little closer. All of these items were included in the accessory kit bundle, which was free by just leaving a feedback. So like I said, it came with a tripod, with the body harness, suction cup, tank with holder on it, stickies for days. There's another brand. I think that may be something you can mount it at an angle. This was, I believe, the head harness. Or maybe this was the head harness. There's actually two. I'll have to play around with those and see the difference in them. This is, oh, you know what? That one had a clip. This is probably for your wrist. You want to put it on your wrist. This is a harness here. There's a clip. You can actually, like a bag of chips, clip it on there. So as you see, for all this, we're just filling out a survey. So come in, I really recommend you go out, do the survey. I got, like I said, the batteries, the charger, the 64 memory card, gigabyte memory card, another whole lot of accessories to include all the accessories that came in with it. I think you will have enough accessories to use it in whatever situation you want to use it in. I will have detailed steps in below of how I did it. It's a very good deal, no scam. They haven't called me back yet or asked for any additional information or any money, so definitely recommend you. Once again, good company so far, so good. It works great. I have more things to talk about this on another posting, but I like this very much. I used it today when I went to Walmart and to Home Depot. If you're gonna go into a store where they may not allow like filming or not really frowned upon, with these new accessories you can make it really easy. Also, it has like a remote button to press to record and to take pictures. And I just was holding it in my hand, but now I have straps to actually use. I can clip it on my hat or do whatever with it. So once again, very good deal. Like I said, called the AKASO action camera EX7000. They have a newer version out. It's a little bit more expensive. This is the 4K version. The new one's a little bit better, a little bit more expensive. It's really up to how you use it. If you're just a novice to middle of the road type of person, you're not out filming super high quality, production films or anything where you're going to need like the GoPro 8 Black. This works very fine. I think if someone new into the arena of getting an action camera, this is a really good starter. And the bundle pack alone, and for the overall deal you get with the 2 additional batteries, the case, the memory card, and the additional extra accessories, it's a no-brainer. Very, very good product, and highly recommend it. Cool, thank you.